When they say they know they recognize prophet for in village, that be this Osimhen own. You understand? So this Osimhen issue. Osimhen now, Mr. Jollof, carry Osimhen down, finish him with mat. A whole international football player. Mr. Jollof use the mat, finish him. You know, say this Mr. Jollof, he even dey face. Say in a person will be say, if you see anybody where they do well, pass him, they get hatred for that person. Now waiting Mr. Jollof they do. He get bad mat. You understand? So if one kind of person will be say, if you use mat, finish you, put you for depression. He go tell you waiting you're not supposed to hear, waiting person never tell you before. Now that kind of person I be. So now person will be say, if you do a small thing, they pay now well and they like to do.